Welcome back to my kitchen. I am making Veg Hakka Noodles, the best way to describe it. Now this is lots of vegetables in it, simple medium egg noodles. I'm using simple medium egg noodles with lots of veg, a few sauces. End product is delicious. It is really quick to make as well. So I'm going to start with a hot pan, and to this I am going to add one red onion thinly sliced, and I'm just going to let it cook slightly. Oh, also before I add the onion, I'm going to add some oil. So I'm using sunflower oil, a couple of tablespoons, and then go in the red onions. Once they have slightly softened, I do not want any color at all. I just want 2 minutes to begin the softening process. I'm going to add a couple of cloves of garlic grated and a big inch of ginger grated to it. Now I'm going to slice all the other veg. So I've got one carrot, I've got one green pepper, and I'm just going to take a fourth of a quarter maybe of the cabbage, the white cabbage, or patta gobi as we call it in Hindi. Now all of these things are just need to be thinly sliced, and I'm going to add it straight into the onion garlic mix. I'm just going to chop the whites of the spring onions and add it to the cooking veg. Now just increase the heat and stir fry it for a few minutes. While that's happening, I've put some water to bring to a boil on the other hob. Once the water has come to a boil, I'm going to add, how many packets shall I make? Maybe 3 packets of 3 bundles of egg noodles. The key is that they don't take very long to cook, so you don't want to cook it so much that they are mush, and it's not going to taste good, it's not going to look good, yeah, it's not good. So just cook it enough. So this packet says cook for 4 minutes, and I am just going to cook for 4 minutes and then drain it out. And once they're in the colander, I'm going to drizzle some cold water on top. Just some cold water on top will help it, stopping it from sticking. The cold water goes in, and then immediately I'm going to add a teaspoon or a drizzle of sesame oil. What this does is that it will prevent it from sticking together. At the same time, it is going to make it taste amazing. So our veg are looking pretty good, and I'm going to add all the sauces. 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, and 2 teaspoons of chili sauce. And now a good mix. Mix it well and then add the sesame oiled egg noodles. You can make it vegan because so far the only thing that you can change in this is the egg noodles. You can use noodles without the egg, and this is a fantastic vegan dish. Now a good mix, and then I'm going to add a good bundle of the greens of the green onion. Finish with some sesame seeds on top. And here they are, the vegetable Hakka noodles. If you want a written recipe, then you can find it in my book, Chaat Chutney, because this is a very popular street food in India. A bit Indo-Chinese food. I absolutely love it, and it smells so good. I'm so hungry when I was cooking this. The noodles are cooked through, but they're not mushy, just cooked to perfection. Oh my god. And that should easily serve 4 people. They are so delicious. The black pepper gives a lovely kick to it, and all the sauces are just amazing in it. So I hope you do give this a go. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Very important. Press the bell button so you get a notification every time I share a new recipe. I'm going to sit down and enjoy my lunch, and I'll see you guys back next week for a brand new recipe. Please leave me a comment. Oh my god, so good, guys.